Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Trading Stock Lakshmi India. Today I'll be discussing why Indian retail investors always lose money in the investments that they do in the trading. So let's go ahead and discuss in detail what exactly are the major mistakes everybody does. We don't have a proper research. How do you research a particular stock before trading? Have you ever checked business model anytime, the fundamentals, the financial analysis, peer performance? No, right? So I will give you a detailed analysis in my next video, wherein I will give you how to check the business model, the financials, and the peer performance, mutual funds, foreign investors, exit and entry strategies, and the shareholdings. It's always good to check before investing. At the end of the day, you're investing money here. Nobody wants to lose money, right? The next mistake that you do, because you're not sure which stock to invest in. You're not certain, like, should I invest in maybe ITC? Maybe should I invest in Tech Mahindra? Which stock to invest in? You're not certain, right? Sometimes you go by assumptions that you have within yourself. If the trend is on a downward movement, you think like it could go up and you go ahead and buy. But sometimes you're not sure that the trend might continue. You're not sure like what exactly is happening in the company in the back scene. Has the company lost all its financials? Is the company losing its top management level? Are there any extra burden liabilities that are going to come up on the company's head? Will there be any other financial crisis in the company? There could be many assumptions which you might have not even thought of. You just have an assumption that the stock is going down, or sometimes you also go by the things like when the stock is on an upward movement. Are you certain that the stock is performing really well because of its fundamentals, the business models that it is working on? You're not sure of that, but still you go on that because you just assume that this stock is going to perform. The next we have is biasness. How do you bias yourself? From your friends and relatives, you get to hear whoever is trading in your family, your friends, you just ask, what's the secret? What's the next stock that I should trade on? Is this the right way to do? Have you ever thought about that? What happens when you lose all the money you have invested? A lot of people invest in a single portfolio, all the money, and they end up losing everything. Have you ever thought of managing the risk? How do you manage this risk? Diversify is the solution for that, to diversify your portfolio, to safeguard yourself, because share market or the trading market is not going on a single movement. There could be some sectors which might go on a decline and some sectors which might go on an upward trend, but you're not certain of the things. Market change every day, every minute, every second. But have we thought about that? Some people already have made a lot of profit. They're about to be rich. But sometimes it does happen that they're not sure when to exit. They keep on waiting that I might end up earning more. But can that be greed? No, that can't be greed, because you're not aware of the exit strategy there. Some people go on loss because of the stop loss. Why do you think that happens? Because you have traded a stock and you think that since the stock is, in case if the stock goes down, I don't want to lose further money. But have you ever thought why the stop loss process has ever been invented? It's just to lose money at the end of the day. If the fundamentals of the company is strong, and if you have invested in a good company, and if the business model is really good, then why worry? The stock will definitely have the upward movement. It's not certain that if the stock is going on a downward trend, it has to go, it cannot go back upward unless and until the company has a financial crisis, which you are not aware of. And looking at the news, latest news or the news articles, we go into a panic mode. Just take an example of the China's Evergrande infrastructure crisis that's upcoming. We think that the infrastructure might fall. Some people have the assumptions, but have you ever thought what could be the strategy that you might want to implement in selecting or maintaining your portfolio in case of any crisis? Is panic selling the right way? Is panic selling is the way of losing money? Yes, of course, it is. Nobody wants to lose money, right? Not to worry for this. I will give you a detailed video on every strategy here, wherein you'd be able to make your decisions, your research in every aspect: business model, fundamentals, peer performance. Have you ever thought when mutual funds exit after a while, maybe after quite a bit, some time, the share market of that particular stock starts depleting? That's because mutual funds, being the large institutions, FIS, they exit. Why do you think? Because there could be something that is not going on well in the company. That could be, not always it is, yes, of course, because mutual funds, they always play safe, but it does. Always think about it and always have a proper research. Just 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes of your precious time before investing in a stock. So thank you for watching this video, and I will keep you posted on the latest updates that I have on the strategies wherein you can maintain in your portfolio having any stock. So it was nice talking to you guys. Please follow my channel, Trading Stock Lakshmi India, with more updates. Thank you. Have a good day.